Is this the bluest lake in Canada? Today we're hiking to the stunning Lake McArthur, one of the most beautiful alpine lakes in Yoho National Park. We started our journey with the famous Lake O'Hara shuttle bus. I'll show you everything you need to know about getting here, the trail conditions, and whether this incredible hike is worth the effort. To hike to Lake McArthur, you'll first need to reach Lake O'Hara. The easiest way is by taking the Parks Canada shuttle bus from the Lake O'Hara parking area. Getting a seat isn't easy. The shuttle operates on a lottery system, and every year thousands of hikers enter for a chance to reserve a spot. If you're one of the lucky winners, the shuttle takes you on a scenic 20-minute ride up the 11-kilometer access road, saving both time and energy. Once you arrive at Lake O'Hara, you're immediately surrounded by some of the most spectacular scenery in the Canadian Rockies. Before we start our hike, we are going to have a quick stop at Day Shelter to eat their famous carrot cake. To be honest, it's one of the best carrot cake I had. They also serve few other things like coffee, granola bars, Gatorade, candies, and souvenirs. The hike to Lake McArthur is approximately 8 kilometers round trip from Lake O'Hara, with around 300 meters of elevation gain. It's considered a moderate hike, making it suitable for most hikers with a reasonable fitness level. The trail starts through a peaceful forest before gradually climbing higher into the alpine. Along the way, you'll cross wooden bridges, pass beautiful streams, and enjoy incredible mountain scenery. We are taking Alpine Meadow Trail to go on the way up. We are going to pass through an Elizabeth Parker hut run by ACC. It's also a lottery to get reservation in the hut. The meadow has really nice wildflowers. After reaching at the Sheffer Lake, we are continuing on MacArthur Pass Trail that merged into Lake McArthur High-Level Trail. We are at the junction of Odoret Highline Trail, but only limited groups allowed per day, so if maximum allowed groups has already registered, please choose different trail. After following the signs toward Lake McArthur, the trail begins opening up with spectacular views. Every turn offers another postcard-worthy landscape, making it hard not to stop every few minutes for photos. Here it is, Lake McArthur. The color of this lake almost doesn't look real. Thanks to fine glacial rock particles suspended in the water, the lake reflects an incredible turquoise blue color that's even more vibrant on sunny days. Surrounded by towering peaks and untouched wilderness, this is easily one of the most breathtaking alpine lakes we've ever visited. We spent some time relaxing by the shoreline, enjoying the peaceful atmosphere and taking in the incredible views. It's the perfect place for a snack, some photos, and simply appreciating one of Canada's most beautiful backcountry destinations. We are preparing and having sandwich at this incredible place. If you're lucky enough to get good weather like we did, you can certainly dip into the lake. I tried it, and the water was cold but so refreshing. I would highly recommend it. After spending plenty of time at Lake McArthur, we made our way back to Lake O'Hara. This time we are taking Lake McArthur low-level trail and making it loop. There there was a really nice viewpoint of Shaffer Lake on the way back from low-level circuit. You can also see Lake O'Hara with towering peaks behind it. I would say this is better road to come down for nice scenery. Once we reached a trailhead, we have visited Lake O'Hara and went to the deck viewpoint. As it's still a nice sunny day, I have jumped into the Lake O'Hara and it was so refreshing to end the day after the hike. If you're fortunate enough to secure a Lake O'Hara shuttle reservation, I highly recommend adding Lake McArthur to your itinerary. The trail isn't overly difficult, the scenery is spectacular from start to finish, and the destination is absolutely unforgettable. It's one of those places that truly lives up to the hype. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more hiking adventures across the Canadian Rockies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.